In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a task dashboard in Notion. We'll be going through a few simple but essential steps that will have you organizing and managing your tasks efficiently in no time. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to refine your workspace, this guide will provide you with the clarity you need to set up a productive dashboard. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Notion on your device. This should bring you to your workspace where you can kick off the process. Next, head to a blank page on Notion. Here, we're going to begin setting the foundation for our task dashboard. On this blank canvas of sorts, you'll want to type the / followed by table view. This is your gateway to crafting a structured and functional task list. With the table view in place, select the option to create a new database. This selection is key since databases in Notion allow you the flexibility to customize your task list to suit your workflow. You'll find that using a database enables you to add, categorize, and track tasks in a streamlined manner. Once you've done this, it's time to name your database. A fitting title like Tasks will keep everything neat and accessible. By naming it appropriately, you'll easily recognize this section whenever you're working on future projects. It adds a personal touch and keeps your workspace coherent. Now that you have your tasks database ready, it's time to get creative and functional with it by adding properties. Properties in Notion act like columns and are incredibly versatile for task management. You might add properties such as due date, priority, or status. Each of these can be customized to make sure your dashboard caters specifically to your needs. Consider how you'd like your tasks to be organized, perhaps by deadline or priority level. Remember, the more detailed your database is, the more efficient it will be in helping you track your progress and priorities. Working with Notion's properties, you can employ various types like date selectors, select or multi-select options, and even progress bars, which are particularly useful in monitoring ongoing projects. Play around with these features until you find a setup that feels intuitive for you. This flexibility is one of Notion's great strengths. It adapts to you, rather than you needing to adapt to it. Once your properties are set up, take a step back and admire your new task dashboard. You've created a personalized, efficient system for managing your workload. Remember, this dashboard isn't set in stone. You can always adjust and iterate as your needs change or evolve. With your tasks neatly organized and visually clear, Notion becomes a dynamic extension of your productivity toolkit. Thank you for joining me today in creating a task dashboard in Notion. I hope this guide has empowered you to enhance your organizational skills and make the most out of this remarkable tool. Stay productive and see you in the next video.